everyone. So in this today's video, we are going to be doing some very important topic of your ICSE computer, that is prefix postfix. Now I know how important this topic is with your exam, for your exam point of view, for your ICSE computer examination. So today we will do this, and I can reassure you that if you can successfully solve these 11 questions, then you can totally grasp the topic and you can attempt any question of this concept. So you may take a screenshot of these questions and you may do it on your own. So now let's start solving these, and I am telling you, if you can do these 11 questions entirely, there is no question that you will not be able to do from this concept in your examination. So like, this is an ultimate prefix postfix practice. So let us begin. So look at this. This is the first question. D equals to plus p plus 5. So we already know p's value, so we can easily sum it out. So plus 5 plus 5, right? What is plus 5? We know. Do we know that? It is of course 6. What is it? It is 6. So 6 plus 5, of course it's 11. Now always, depending on the data type, you will put your answer, but since no data type is given here, this is the answer. Now coming to the second question, which is a equals to 48. Then we have to solve a equals to a plus a. Okay. Then it will be 48 plus 48. Right. Now 48 plus will become 49, but we will write 48 because it's postfix. Now this will be 49. So plus 49 will be 50. We will write also 50 because this is a prefix. We know that the value will of course change, but if there is postfix, you will write this value only. But if it was prefix here, then you would write 49. Here you wrote 48, but the value of a changed from 48 to 49. So for the next time when you do plus a, instead of a, you will not put 48, you will put 49. So plus 49 will become 50. So the answer will be 98. Alright. Now let's go to the third question, which says that c equals to 2 and we have to find out d equals to plus c plus 4. Okay. So we can easily find that out. So plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. Now here also see plus 2 means we will write 3 here. Now here it's not 2, it is 3. 3 plus we will write 3 only. Alright, this is 3, no. So here it will be 3 plus. This will become 4, but we will write 3 because it is postfix. So it is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 4 is 10. So that will be the answer. After that, let's do number 4. The question is m equals to 12. Then we have to find n. And what is n? N is m plus into 5 plus minus m. Alright, we will do it. So m plus that is 12 plus into 5 plus minus 12. So 12 plus we will write on 12, but it will become 13. Okay. So 12 into 5 plus minus 12, not minus 12, minus 13, because here it became 13. We wrote 12 because it was postfix, but it actually became 13, right? We also know that. So this will be minus 13, but minus 13 will be 12 only. So according to BODMAS, we will first do the multiplication. So 60 plus this. So the answer will be 72. Alright. Beside only, let us do the rest of the questions. So now question number 5, let's attempt. Okay, so question 5 is saying y is 14 and we have to find out z equals to plus y into y plus 5. Now there are many brackets of course. So this will be plus 14 into 14 plus 5. Alright. Plus 14 is 15 into, again see 15 plus it will be. So 15 only we will write plus 5. First do the bracket. So it will be 300. Now let's do number 6. The question is number 6 is, yes, the question in number 6 is A equals to 4, B equals to 3. Okay, so we have the values. Now we have to find out C, which is A plus plus into 6 plus 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 B into 5 plus 10. Looks big, but I think it's really easy. Let's do that. A plus plus will be 4 plus plus into 6 plus 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 B will be plus plus 3 into 5 plus 10. Now please remember to use BODMAS. Okay. Now 4 plus plus we will write 4, but it will A will become 5. But we do not need to remember it because there is no A in the rest of the expression. So we will write 4 only, plus 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 3, which means we will write 4 over here. Alright, so by BODMAS let's do the multiplication first. 6 into 4 is 24, and this is 20 plus 10. So that will be 54. So that is the answer. Okay, so now let's do question 7. Question 7 is saying A equals to 8. So you have to find out A minus equals to plus plus A plus plus 4. Now you know what does this mean? It means A minus, and don't forget to put this bracket, plus A plus 4. This is this. Okay, so A equals to this. Got that? So A will be A minus, so this will be 8 minus plus 8 plus 8 plus 4. Alright. So it will be 8 minus plus 8 is what? 9 plus 8 plus. Now it will be 9 plus. That will also be 9. Sorry. That will also be 9. So this will be 4. So 8 minus 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 4 is 22. And then 8 minus 22, of course, it will come in negative sign. But what will it be? It will be 14. So that is the answer. Alright. Let's do the 8th question. A is 12, B is 8, and we have to solve A into equals to plus plus A by 6 plus B plus modulus 3. So we also know that what is this? A equals to A into, okay, this in bracket plus A by 6 plus B plus modulus 3. Then we can solve. So what will this be? 12 to A is 12 plus 12 by 6 plus B is 8. So 8 plus modulus 3. Alright. Now 12 into, now plus 12 is of course 13. 13 by 6 plus 8 plus is 8 modulus 3. Alright. So 12 into, what is 13 by 6? Now 13 by 6 you just have to write the quotient and not the remainder. Remainder we all know it is, it will be 1. But the quotient will be 2. Okay. So if you like divide 13 by 6, then it will give you this. Remainder is 1, but the quotient is 2. Since we are having this divide sign, slash sign, we will put only this. Okay. Now 8 modulus 3. Whenever there is modulus, you know, we have to put remainder. So let us find the remainder, what it will be. Quotient is again 2 and the remainder is also 2. So this plus 2. So it will be 12 into 2 plus 2 is of course 4. So it will be 48. That is the answer. Alright, now let us move on to the 9th question, that is saying x equals to 4, and the question is x plus equals to x plus into plus x modulus 2. Okay, so let us solve. You all know then x equals to x plus into plus x modulus 2. So let us solve. X is 4. So 4 plus into plus 4 modulus 2. So 4 is definitely this only. So 4 plus will remain 4, but this value will change to 5. Okay, as I said that 4 plus we will write 4, but since this is postfix, please adhere that x has become 5. Okay. So now into, now plus 4, no, plus 5. What is plus 5? Of course it is 6 modulus 3. Now 6 modulus 3 first you have to do. Now 6 modulus 3 is 0. Okay. So it will be 4, is 4 into 0 is obviously 0. So it will be 4. So this is the answer. Or what you could also have done is 4 into 6 modulus 2. That could also have been done, that 24 modulus 2 is also 0. So 4 into 0 either way. Now let's come to the 10th question, which looks like a bit complicated, but it isn't. A plus equals to B plus plus into 5 by A plus 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 B. So of course A is then A plus B plus plus into 5A plus 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 B. Alright. Now A is 48, 48 plus 13 plus plus B is 13 into 5 by again 48 plus 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 B, that is again 13. Now 48 plus 13 plus plus is 13 only, but please remember that we are writing 13, but since it's plus plus after this, that is postfix, then 3's value, what has 3's value become? 3's value, 13's value has become, sorry, 13's value, I am saying 3's value. So 13's value has become 14, okay, but we are writing 13 because this is postfix. So into 5 by 48 plus plus, then we will write 48 only, but remember its value has become 49. You don't have to remember that because in rest of the expression there is no A, so you will not use only A. Plus 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 13. Now this is not plus plus 13, as I told you that its value has changed. B's value has changed from 13 to 14. Okay, so this is plus plus 14, that is obviously 15. Now you have to do this. Alright, so 48 plus, now also you have to remember that this is you have to then 65 by 48, okay, plus 15. What is 65 by 48? Let's see what we get. Obviously our quotient will be 1, okay, so this 1 plus 15, that is 48 plus, okay, wait. So one correction I must make, that I had told you that this is 15, right, but this is not 15, because I had told you this is 15 because I thought that there is a prefix before B, but as you can see there is only a single plus before B, and this A plus plus is after A. So as I told you that B's value will become from 13 to 14. So since it's only plus B, you will write 14. I thought that there is a plus plus B, which means there is a prefix before B, so I put 15. If there was a plus plus B, you would put 15, but since this is a single plus B, you would put 14 and not 15. Okay, so that is 48. This is of course 1, as I told you, plus 14. So 48 plus 1 plus 14, that is 63. That is the answer. This is the last question of this entire ultimate prefix postfix practice. If you can do this question right and all the other questions right, I am 100% confident that you will not make a single mistake in this concept. Okay, so A is 7, A plus, I have written this question, so let us articulate it then. So A is, since this is a shortened operator, obviously A is A plus 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 A, this I am just copying it. Okay, so now 7 plus 7 plus plus plus. Now it's very important you put the plus plus distant. As I told you in this section also, I confuse between this prefix and postfix. So it's very important that you make distance between this single plus and double plus. Okay, so 7 plus 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 7. Okay, plus minus minus 7 plus 7 minus minus. Okay, so let us solve it. Then 7 plus, see, 7 plus plus will be 7 only, but its value is now 8. So this is plus 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 8, this is, so plus plus 8 is 9. So now minus minus 9, that is 8. Okay, then plus 8 minus minus, 8 minus minus will be 8 only. So that is what? That will be, okay, so now we have 7 plus all this, so 14 plus 16 plus 9, that will be 39. Alright, so this is the end. So these are all the solutions to this ultimate prefix postfix practice session. If now I know that it was not that short, but if you could do all the questions, I promise you there will not be any question regarding this topic you will not be able to do. Okay, tata. So in a relatively shorter period of time we have covered this topic. I will be back with another video. So that is it. I bid you farewell now.